Hello and welcome to CRA Diecast for another diecast unboxing. Thanks for dropping by. Quick shout out to all my subscribers. Hope you're all doing well. Thanks for sticking with the channel. I did go out today and I did pick up a new 5-pack from Hot Wheels, and it's all Nissan vehicles, which is great. I do like the old JDMs, and there's not one fantasy casting in there, which is terrific. So I'll just show you what I've got. It's this Nissan 5-pack with a couple of Skylines, a Sylvia and a 240Z. So these are all great. So we'll just crack this open and see what they really look like. So just bear with me for a second. I'll let you look at the Starsky and Hutch diorama and the bullet diorama that I got quite a few years ago from the Peterson Museum in Los Angeles. Right, so the first one of these is a Datsun 620 pickup truck in like a teal blue. Looks really nice. I do like those choice of rims on it. Bronze 5-spoke. Grey bed with no detail. Nice chrome front grille and headlight assembly. This is metal body, plastic base. Can't see the copyrights, too much reflection. Datsun script on the tailgate, chrome bumper. Yeah, this is a nice little pickup truck. I do like this one. So pop that there. Then the next one is Skyline GTR, like a strawberry red, and this one's gorgeous. Nice flat grey rims, rear deck wing, nice tampos on the hood and roof, twin side mirrors, and I've actually tampoed the brake lamps as well. Good job. Generally for a mainline, it's hit and miss with these mainlines. This is metal body, plastic base. Copyright 2018. Hidden headlamps on this. I wasn't sure if they did come with hidden headlamps. But yeah, that's a really nice casting. Go to my JDM collection, which I've got quite a few. This one is right-hand drive. Oops, sorry, pickup. Yeah. And the next one is a Nissan Skyline 2000 GTX in nice lavender purple. I do like this style of Skylines. I do like the rims and the big wide white wall tyres on them. You can see indicator marker lights on the side, black interior, and can't see if it's right-hand drive. Got nice tinted glass. Unfortunately, being a mainline, they haven't tampoed the brake lamps, but nice decals down the side. Looks really nice. And this would be an old copyright. 2011. Wow, this is old. and no tampos on the front, but in profile looks really nice with that big rear deck wing. And the next one is Nissan Silvia S13. It's in like a pearlescent white. Blue glass. Doesn't look too bad, but I think it would look better with that tinted glass like on the Skyline. But then, oh, they've tampoed the back, go figure. Really nicely done. Twin side mirrors. Pop-up headlamps. A little bit of a lip spoiler down there. Copyright 2019, plastic base, but yeah, it's a nice casting with those Japanese graphics along the side. And it's got like a roof mounted spoiler as well, or air deflector. And this one is right-hand drive, because Japanese drive on the same side of the road as we do here in Australia. Yeah, this is probably my favourite casting out of the four. I'm sorry, out of the five. Then the last one is a 240Z in like a burnt orange. This one's got really big flared guards on it. No side mirrors. You can see inside the rear compartment. Right-hand drive as well. Five-spoke rims. And unfortunately, yeah, it'd be nice if they had tampoed the brake lamps on this one. Huge, big, flared wheel arches on it. And silver grey finished bumper bar. No rear bumper bar. Oh, what's the copyright? 2015. But yeah, it's a great looking casting. Very happy to have that. Just a quick one today. I'll just do a quick overview of what I picked up. Got that nice teal blue pickup truck, then the Godzilla Skyline, then the regular Skyline, the Silvia, and that 240Z. So thanks very much for dropping by, I really appreciate it. Hit that thumbs up and share and subscribe if you wish. Subscription is free and it really does help me out to get these videos posted out there to other collectors. So if you're into Nissans, share this around. So thanks very much, and we'll catch you on my next video. So cheers for now.